Pickle incompatibility of numpy arrays between Python 2 and 3. I am trying to load the MIST dataset linked here in Python 3.2 using this program. Unfortunately, it gives me the error. I then tried to decode the pickled file in Python 2.7, and re-encode it. So, I ran this program in Python 2.7. It ran without error, so I reran this program in Python 3.2. However, it gave me the same error as before. How do I get this to work? This is a better approach for loading the MIST dataset.
This seems like some sort of incompatibility. It's trying to load a bin string object, which is assumed to be ASCII, while in this case it is binary data. If this is a bug in the Python 3 unpickler, or a misuse of the pickler by numpy, I don't know. Here is something of a workaround, but I don't know how meaningful the data is at this point. Unpickling it in Python 2 and then repickling it is only going to create the same problem again, so you need to save it in another format.
If you are getting this error in Python 3, then it could be an incompatibility issue between Python 2 and Python 3. For me, the solution was to load with Latin 1 encoding.
It appears to be an incompatibility issue between Python 2 and Python 3. I tried loading the MIST dataset with, and it worked for Python 3.5.2.
It looks like there are some compatibility issues in Pickle between 2.x and 3.x due to the move to Unicode. Your file appears to be pickled with Python 2.x and decoding it in 3.x could be troublesome. I'd suggest unpickling it with Python 2.x and saving to a format that plays more nicely across the two versions you're using.